Hi friends, do you like perfumes? Today I am going to make blue aquatic lavender flavored perfume. Apparatus required are glycerin, lavender tea, funnel, food coloring, aquatic fragrance, big measuring beakers, small measuring beakers, spray bottle, plastic spatula, filter paper and dropper. Take a teaspoon of lavender tea in the big measuring beaker. Using the small measuring beaker, add 20 ml of water to the big measuring beaker with the tea. Using the wooden spatula, stir the tea and water well. Let the mixture sit for 20 minutes. Place the filter paper in the funnel as shown in the video. You may fold the filter paper for ease. Place the funnel with the filter paper on top of another big measuring beaker. Now pour water and tea mixture through the funnel. Use the spatula to help the water pass through the filter paper. This process may take some time. Take a spray bottle and open it. Using the dropper, add 10 ml of liquid glycerin to the spray bottle. Use a separate dropper and add 2 ml of tea solution to the spray bottle. Use a third dropper to add 3 drops of cosmetic coloring. Add 5 drops of fragrance to the solution. To the solution, add 10 ml of water. Close the lid of the spray bottle. Shake the spray bottle to mix well. Let the solution for 15 minutes in a dry area. Now our blue aquatic lavender perfume is ready. Make sure to subscribe my channel. Also like this video. Share this video to everyone and comment down below if you have any suggestions about my video. See you in the next time.